Russian Defense Ministry report on the progress of the special military operation in Ukraine, June 27, 2022. Russian Defense Armed Forces continue attack on military facilities located in Ukraine. High-precision armament of the Russian Aerospace Forces has neutralized the base of 106th Battalion from 63rd Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Armed Forces near Fizung's Nikolaev region. Over 40 Ukrainian servicemen and 12 units of the military equipment have been eliminated. Attacks eliminated by the armed forces of Ukraine main power and military equipment in 27 areas, including those that formed part of the right sector near Lysychansk and those of Azov and Kraken near Kharkov. 5 armed forces of Ukrainian command posts and 3 ammunition, missiles, and artillery armament depots have been neutralized near Beresnogortavoye, Nikolaev region, and Novodruzhsk, Lugansk People Republic. Operational, tactical, and army aviation missiles, troops, and artillery have neutralized 24 command posts, artillery and mortars unit in 58 areas, as well as manpower and military equipment in 304 areas. Within the counter-battery warfare towards Donetsk, high-precision armament of the Russian Aerospace Forces is neutralized. 3 Great multiple rocket launcher system platoons near Adevivka and Dzержinsk, a platoon of M777 155mm howitzers near Konstantinovka, 2 Giant 152mm howitzers platoons near Kalinov and Artyomovo, as well as 2 units of 2S1 Zokzdika self-propelled artillery system platoons near Osheretino and Novolugansk that had been launched attack at Donetsk and other cities of the Donetsk People Republic. Russian air defense means have destroyed 10 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles near Novy Burluk, Arkushino, Kurulka, Semyovka, Chervony, Shakhter, Ternovoya, Kharkov region, Chernobyevka, Kherson region, Sherbakovo, Zaporozhye region, and Petrovenki, Lugansk People Republic. 2 Torska-U ballistic missiles have been intercepted near Kakhovka, Kherson region, as well as 1 multiple rocket launcher system over Snake Island.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.